Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to leave group chats on Instagram. First of all, and of course, you'll need an Instagram application on your phone. If you don't have that, all you need to do, just go and download it through Play Store if you have an Android or App Store if you have an iPhone. Then, all you need to do, just go and sign in to create your account. If you do have an account, just ignore all of that, log into your account, and let's get straight to it. So first of all, and of course, if we want to leave a group chat on Instagram, first of all, we will need to be on a group chat, right? So just go to your DMs by clicking at the flash at the top right corner. Then this will, I click on the notification. Just go and click at the flash at the top right corner, as I said. If you click on that, you can just click at the plus icon at the top right corner. If you click on that, you can here add maybe a message to someone. Like if I click on just one, it will chat to just one. But let me add more people. Let me just add this as one as well and click a chat. As you can see here, you can't start group chats yet. Why? Because those are not my friends. I'm not following them, or they are not following me, or both of them. So let me just swipe. Let's just go back and swipe to my other accounts to show you. As you can see here, if I swipe to my accounts, I have 9 followers. So let me just go back to my DMs and click here. Then add maybe this people and click a chat. As you can see, now I can chat with them because I'm following this account and they are following me. So if I just type hi, they will all receive my message. As you can see, I got a notification from my other account. If I want, I can name this group maybe team or just something like that. Click on that. But in this video, I want to show you how to leave this group account or group chat. So just go and click at your name of the group chat, click on that and scroll down a bit, and you have here the option of leave chat. Just go and click on that. As you can see here, you will not be in the group chat anymore. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.